Alright, my wonderful people, again we are going to do an introduction to the if statement using a password protected macro. We will be introduced also to an input stream in terms of an input box. Let's begin. Sub, and we call this password protected. We call that sub password protected. We won't be using the with function for this one. We will be going straight. So we'll declare our first variable as dim password. Right? And we'll also say user password. And we'll put this as string. Right. We will assign password equal, the student would have to type, and I'll make it a little difficult here, p at ssword, the conventional password for Windows based systems. And we'll give the user now password, and the user should say an opportunity to enter password in an input box. So you say password, user password as declared up there is equal to the command input or the function input box. And we'll type in this input box, please enter your password. Right, so we assign this variable here, this user variable, to input box, please enter your password. Right? So far so good? Well, you know when you're dealing with passwords, it must have if conditions. So you will say if password, which is that password that we declared, is equal to whatever password that was typed, the user password, and every if have a then I would want to message box, because we want to do this first, access, and only here in keyboard going clickety clack bangity bang in the background, clickety clack bangity bang. Else message box password incorrect. And if right, let's run this program and see how it looks. Right, so let's enter the wrong password. Password incorrect. Let's enter the correct password. Capital P at ssword. Access granted. Right, let's make some corrections with this particular program. Right, normally when you're writing password protected commands, we don't really use this command here equal. That's dangerous. It's better if you use not equal. That's why we need to validate exactly. So let's use the not equal command, because that's a very important point you just made up there now. And we would say not equal to, we'll have to change this a little bit to change this to this. Change this. I hope I'm not getting it cool.
I hope so too.
I have it real bad, or no? I have it real bad, but even if I had the code, me in business. Because I want to do some more additional functionalities with this password protected program. Now, normally we doesn't use equal sign, but programming practice will say not equal to, because as it's not equal to, when it step through the program, it will go here first before it move on.
Okay.
You understand? As it else now, we could write a whole additional amount of code here as it goes down now. Right? Access granted. Because what I want to do is to bring in a nested if. So we're going to be building on this program a little bit, some more, whenever we come back to class. We still have some time for this class. We're going to be building on this program, this if statement. So we have this, right? I could also run it. I could also even give them the option if user password not equal to nothing. Or some people just do this, the blank. You'll still get a password incorrect. That's like reading code over the period in time now. Right, so I just made a little small change. So when we come back, we're going to do some more additions to this program here.